G'day, I've been really looking forward to making this video. It's about a local cafe of mine. Well, it's not actually mine, but anyway. The cafe pays homage to one of the true legends of motorcycling history, Burt Munro. One of the very few blokes in the world who I've looked up to in my life. The cafe is run by a very cool and young Tasmanian couple who were just trying to make a living for their family, Damon and Rebecca. So let's go inside and have a bit of a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. How you going? You Damon?
Yes, mate, I am.
I'm Mark, buddy. Changed a bit in here since I was here last.
Yeah, I've got even put a few new bikes in, I've got all the helmets and stuff. We've sort of upscaled, we got rid of the, couch and shit like that. Sort of tried to make it a little bit more upper class instead of what it was.
Yeah, it was a little bit like a shed before.
It was?
Yeah.
And that's where having the white here sort of helped draw away from the shed. Like we don't, as you can see with the signs out the front, we don't specify Burt Munro, we just call it Burt.
So while I was here, this old ride locks up. You one of the regulars, are you, buddy? You one of the regulars here, are you?
Well, some come here sometimes.
Do you? All right, they haven't given you food poison yet? I'm not quite sure he knew how to take me, but he makes these, which are pretty cool, and the cafe sells them for him. So as you can see, the menu here is quite extensive. From great salads, scallops and chips, ham steaks with pineapple and egg, pancakes, and of course sweets. And as you're about to hear, Damon's very passionate about his cooking.
You've got to go from your own experiences at first when it comes to cooking, and you go, okay, so I've had lemon, I've had chicken, I've had this. It's about your own flavour palette and then developing that for everybody else. I grew up watching the Two Fat Ladies.
Yeah.
And that's exactly the sort of cooking I enjoy. Home style, like...
I like cooking outside. I've got a fire.
Don't get me wrong with the barbecue.
What? Just two things.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cook outside all the time on a fire pit.
Yep.
Love it.
I definitely love food.
You don't look like it.
Everyone says that.
So tell me a bit about the plans for the upgrade. Yeah.
Well, basically, he's blowing out the side. He's just going to be going
Out this way.
all the way to the fence, 8 metres down the driveway.
Yeah.
And basically it'll be 24 more seats. You'll have your little bar, staff room, stuff like that. But from there, you'll be able to walk into there.
All right. Yep.
And walk through his museum. And we're talking, he's just put up new shelves, everything, so he can get shit off the floor and make a permanent walkway through there, if you know what I mean, because he's got sidecars out there, he's got bikes you've never seen, aerials, like, yeah.
And what's his name?
Tibor Muchin.
Does this thing work?
Yes.
Nah.
And you don't know how many old, like, no, seriously, like you picture, what are they, outlaws and stuff, real old ones sitting on it.
Yeah.
It's been awesome. It's funny how many actual old guys sit on that and go.
All right, cheers, guys. Have a good day. See you, buddy.
G'day. I've been really looking for Peppy. Fuck's sake. G'day. I've been really looking forward to making this video about a local cafe of mine. Well, it's not actually mine, but anyway. It pays homage to one of the true legends of motorcycling history, Burt Munro. One of the few blokes who I've looked up to in the world. Peppy, fuck off. The cafe pays homage to one of the true legends of motorcycling history, Burt Munro. The cafe is run by a young Tasmanian couple, just trying to make a living for their family, Damon and Rebecca. So let's go inside and have a bit of a look around. Peppy, fuck off. I've been really looking forward to making this video. It's about a local cafe of mine. Well, it's not actually mine, but anyway. The cafe pays homage to one of the true legends of motorcycling history, Burt Munro. One of the very few blokes in the world who I've looked up to. Stop eating my computer. If you've got to be in every fucking video I do,